Hello people, welcome back to another day, or I should say night, of riding. This time I have my friend over there who's ahead of me on a Triumph. Up my Spotify shoulder. Sorry. Oh yeah, friend is free in your drive, look at that. I am good, I'm good. Oh, you listen to that. I don't know if you can hear it, but listen to that. Whoop, I'm stuck. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. As I said earlier in the intro, we're going today to Alexandra Palace. Apparently the views are very nice over there. So yeah, we have to, there's a video. You have to do it for the video. I'm joking, I'm not even recording yet. I am recording. I don't know what you're saying. Oh, you can see the lights. It's a cold night tonight. It's cold, isn't it? Nice conversation, man. Nice conversation. So yeah, we're gonna go to Alexandra Palace. Hopefully see some nice views. I'll keep you updated, obviously. Come on, brother, come on. Let's see if my friend is right behind me. And he is. Oh, Is this a roundabout? What the hell? No, it's not. What the f is happening here? What the f was that? There's a police behind me. What the hell was that road? Oh, it confused the hell out of me. That was confusing. You only knew it because there's someone in front of you.
Yeah, I fell for it before. Too quick for the camera, it won't catch me.
What?
I'm too quick for the camera, it won't catch me.
Gee. He going. I'll catch up. Give him the middle finger.
My hands are freezing.
I don't know what you're saying. Hello, friend. Are you okay there? Are you okay there? What'd you say? Sticky? Tissue?
Yeah.
Sorry, mate. Am I supposed to give birth to tissue?
What?
Am I supposed to give birth to it?
Well,
Here you go, mate. Next time, don't splash everywhere, yeah? I'll get you. I'll get you a hot drink, mate. I'll get you a hot drink, mate. Mate, listen. You have to say yes because I'm making a video and they're gonna think I'm nice, yeah? Cool. Is someone here? Look at this buff thing, sexy gal. Oi, look at
It's all muddy here as well. That's fucked.
yeah, I told you to come here, you don't listen, man.
That looks alright.
You know, if I do buy another bike, I'm never gonna sell this. Sentimental.
Exactly.
Same.
You still recording this shit?
Oh crap, I forgot.
I'm never selling this.
Welcome back, boys and girls. We just finished seeing Alexander Palace. The views were great. And now we're going back home. It's quite late. But yeah, it was great. I will show you some, hopefully, if my skills allow, some pics from the scenery. Yeah. Just gonna go back home. It's very cold actually, so I put my heated grips on. Look at the slope, guy. Look at the slope, look. Just me. I really would like to go on our big ride, like either to a different country or different countries, where I have obviously like a couple side bags on my bike. So I think it would be very cool. I would always like to do it with another biker. Maybe I should start off with Scotland though. Amazing scenery, not too far. They speak their lingo. But yeah, hopefully my bike can handle that. I know it's 650cc and it's a naked bike.